Bro, if you clicked on this video, you're fucking poor and you're a brokey and you're tired of people like me flexing my fucking wallet in front of y'all faces. I know, and the reason why you clicked is to know how to create. Bro, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you just that. Y'all are probably trading these meme coins every single day and losing thousands. Bro, the thing with these coins that y'all really need to understand is that they will all rug and you will lose your fucking money. So if we go over to my chart, I'm gonna be breaking down every single step. So stay with me, focus on the video, drop everything you're doing, and lock in. This is the exact strategy I want y'all to be doing. Bro, first and foremost, the most important thing in this whole strategy is by going on Coinlabs.Fun. This is where y'all are gonna make your first meme coins. Now, how are we gonna make these coins? Our coin needs a narrative. What is a narrative? It's basically the idea behind your meme coin. So see how everyone has a picture, a name, a different thing. That's what it is. All right. Next is how are we gonna get the idea for it? We're gonna go on Dex Screener, Bullex, X, copy a meme coin. I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly in a couple seconds, or being original. Now, if you go over to the website, we can see the copy trending coins tab. This is my favorite way to make fucking money. It's basically the website that finds coins that are proven to work, right? That have high market caps and last buys in seconds. Okay, the best one that y'all want to find is one with last buy under 15 seconds. Now going back to my diagram. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed my diagram. Now next, I'm gonna be showing you guys why making your own coins on Pump.Fun is bullshit. Well, if we go on Pump.Fun, right? Stay with me now. These, like, this shit, like, what the fuck is this, bro? Every single coin here is dog shit, bro. And the second reason why Pump.Fun is shit is because of the bonding curve in the radium pool. So what is that, bro? I'm gonna explain it, bro. Chill. Alright, so basically when your coin is on Pump.Fun, right, it's on their liquidity pool, right? So liquidity pool, y'all already know what it is. So basically when your coin hits 90k, it goes through a bonding curve. See this, and it basically means that the liquidity pool will be transferred over to another website called Radium, but we don't give a shit about that because our coins will be already created on the Radium pool, which means that we will get more buyers, more eyeballs on it, because they are more visible to the public than Pump.Fun. That is bullshit. Anyways, alright, oh damn, that's a lot of yap. Okay, now the second part is community. Alright, y'all, bro, y'all listen up, bro. You guys are gonna need a little community, bro. I swear to God, half the time y'all don't even need a fucking community, bro. Just go fucking bananas on that shit, bro. Create y'all coin about anything that is fucking relevant, alright? And also, a little tip, a little tip I'm gonna give y'all is, when y'all see like 1,000 coins being created, and then y'all click on their links and it goes to Twitter, and then there's like an important shit that's going on, bro, copy their fucking coin. And people, the reason why is that people, when they see it, the traders, they're accidentally gonna buy your coin, and then you can just, you know what I mean, make a little money off of them being stupid and not seeing that your coin is not the original coin. Alright, that was that. Next, yeah, so X, bro, keep your eyes peeled on X. I don't want to see no one not on X, bro. Be on X at all time. Be on TikTok at all time, bro. I'm telling you, scroll on TikTok for fucking hours trying to find the memes that are captivating the youth, and trust me, it will work. Now, so I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how to do it on Coinlabs.Fun, which is, by the way, the best website to creating coins. It is the shortest amount of time to create your coin. Create your coin in seconds, and you don't need any coding. Alright, so we're gonna select our wallet. Boom, bada bop, boom. I'ma put my password. Oh, wait. Alright. Now we're gonna connect that bitch, and okay, no, so now, okay, this is like a demo, so don't worry about it. Okay, so we're gonna just, so basically, so what y'all are gonna do, you're gonna put your token name as whatever your subject is. I'm gonna put Kaka, and put a image, a very good high quality image of your coin inside of the website. Give me a sec. Put my YouTube logo in it because I am cool, and you guys should definitely subscribe. Next, token decimals and total supply. Keep that shit at 9 decimals, and total supply at 1 billion tokens. And I'm gonna be, and there's more sauce to it, but in future videos I will explain different variations of y'all to put you different variations of the quantity of tokens available to the public. Now, token description, we gonna write that, but basically what it is, you gotta describe what your coin is. Alright, so now this tab is very important. Basically, right, you guys will want to put the Twitter of whatever you guys saw on Twitter that was related to your coin. If you have a website, put your website. If you have Telegram, put your Telegram. If you have Discord, blah, blah, blah. You already know. Alright, here, keep these all selected. Your coin will look 100,000 million quintillion pinpillion % more realistic, more legit than other coins if y'all keep this. So just don't touch this, alright? And the final step is create token. Now, once you create your token, be very aware of your surroundings. Be aware of the coin. I hope this video gave y'all some value on how I make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single day, every single week. And you already know, if you create coins on Coinlabs.Fun, I'm telling you, you guys will make it just as I did. Join my Telegram in the description. I will be dropping sauce. I will be dropping bangers on there. Job applications, I am looking for some people. Yeah, that's it, bro. Like, comment, share, sub. See you in the next one. Yes, sir. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys learned something new and enjoyed. I just wanted to let y'all know that I have created a free Telegram group where I will be posting free sauce, free giveaways, and job opportunities to work for me. And all you need to do to join is click the first pinned comment in the description, or go on my channel page and all my links should be there. Peace!